So today, Mommy has 2 banana slices already, and Mommy put them in the blender now. And Mommy has 6 strawberries on it in the bowl, and Mommy put them in the blender now. Mommy says there's 1 apple that Mommy says I don't like the skins of the apple. And there's one last one. It's a cereal which made its Fruit Loops that we use to buy at BB's. Mommy put them in the blender now. So Mommy take the milk and put them in the blender. And Mommy is gonna blend them all up. And Mommy put on a lid on it and blend it all together. Just like a rainbow smoothie. And which one you love for us? And you want once Mommy poured a smoothie into our drink. Now it's mine. And 2 each of glass and 1 for Rosiah. We also have our drink and leave in the comments below. If you want to drink some more, just connect on the video. Please subscribe.
That's Anisha. And now, shout out to our beautiful channel member, Life of MC. Check her out. And don't forget the bell so that you will be notified for a new video. And another beautiful channel member, my name is Sen. Check her out for a lot of recipe. And don't forget that bell so that you will be notified for a new video or if ever she will go on live streaming. Thank you.
And so, Lola, Becky, and Aggie Bestie, I miss you.